How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Fastest method. In today's video, I will show you the fastest strategy to make money on YouTube without making videos. Most people don't know that it's genuinely possible to make passive income from YouTube without making videos. Some of them quit in the beginning before they start making a good amount of income from YouTube. So today, I will show you the best strategy to make money on YouTube without making videos. You don't need to show your face or your voice. All you need to do is just take a few clicks, and at the end of the day, you will be able to generate passive profits. For this strategy, you don't even need a proper script or a voiceover. It is 100% guarantee that you never heard about this strategy before until this video. Moreover, it's the best way to make money on YouTube right now. We have mentioned some hidden words and secret codes in different parts of this video, so make sure to watch till the end. If you discover any of these hidden codes, then you have to comment down below on this video and you'll get a chance to win a free monetized YouTube channel. Now, if you're thinking that we're going to discuss some Creative Commons or compilation strategies that everyone is showing and telling you, then I want to tell you that you're wrong. The process that we're about to discuss in this video is exclusively invented by myself. You don't need a voiceover for this niche as well. Alright, now I hope that I've got your attention, and you must be excited to know further, so keep on watching this video until the end. Before starting with today's video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next topic, let me know as well. I will reply and read out all comments by myself. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Overview. The concept of this strategy is to work in a gaming niche. Now, I know that you're going to complain and think that the gaming niche is far too competitive and saturated. How are we supposed to work on a gaming niche without even playing or doing a voiceover? Well, if that's the case, then you don't need to worry about it. The thing is, we're going to summarize and divide the gaming niche. You see, gaming is indeed a bit of a saturated niche, but when we break it down into its sub-niches, we'll get a lot of space and less competition. For example, if it's gaming, then we will categorize it further into, let's say, RPG games. And from RPG games, we will categorize it into RPG Games Evolution. Yeah, you heard me right. We're going to work on an evolution of video games. This is going to be a straightforward strategy. Now, you must be thinking that for this purpose, you'll have to play every game. No, you're wrong. Moving up next, I'll show you a detailed blueprint of almost everything to work on in this strategy. You just need a laptop, internet connection, a Gmail account, and a YouTube channel. First, you have to hunt for gaming evolution keywords for your channel. For this task, I'm gonna go use YouTube and Vidic. So go to YouTube and write something similar to Game Evolution. Let's write RPG Video Games Evolution. Now, once I searched out this keyword phrase, YouTube showed me different results related to this particular topic. Alright, just look at the number of views. They're taking millions of views on such videos. If you play any of these videos, most channels don't even have any voiceover on their videos. They're still monetizing and making passive income from this niche. I highly recommend you to install Vidic. If you can't afford the Pro version, you can also get the free version. However, I would recommend you to get the Pro account that costs nothing more than $10. I've added the link to this offer in the description box. You can check it out as well. I took this keyword only to demonstrate the process in this video, but you have to keep finding keywords with a large number of searches and low competition. You have to post at least 30 videos within low competition phrases. Now let's go to Vidic and look at the keywords section. Let's try something innovative, and I'm going to write a specific game, God of War Evolution. Now if I search this phrase, Vidic is showing me that the keyword is still too competitive. Still, if you keep categorizing down the games, you'll actually find out the 30 key phrases with less competition. Here's an additional tip for you. Go to Google and search most famous video games of all time. Then you'll search every game on Vidic. To explain the process, I chose the God of War Evolution key phrase in this video. Now you must be thinking that you don't have the God of War game. Plus, you don't own any gaming consoles. So how will you create visuals for your video? Well, for that purpose, I'm here to help. Moving up next, I will share an innovative method that allows you to download free gameplay videos regarding any game. But before that, you have to get complete knowledge of the particular video game that you're going to work on. Like, if we're going to work on God of War, then the main aim is to show different clips of each part of this video game. So go to Google and write God of War Evolution, or something like all God of War parts. I just clicked on the first website related to this keyword phrase. Now, what you need to do is open a new tab and go to Google Docs. Copy all the series of this video game. Remember, you have to note the names of the series, the release year, and the compatible consoles. Just paste all the data on Google Docs. Let me just quickly do this, copying all the series names and data and paste on Google Docs. Alright. I'm done. What about you? Congratulations, you've done almost 70% of this strategy. It's time to get free clips of each individual series of the game. The idea behind this is that you just need to show some minutes of the clip. You don't have to do voiceover as well as scripting because you already took the data of each game. So let me just copy any series name, say God of War 1. I just need free clips for this game. So head over back to YouTube and search God of War 1 gameplay, something like that. Now, if you directly use any of these videos, you will get copyright issues. Here's the thing, you just have to click on this filter and go to Creative Commons. Now you can use shorts with a 4-minute filter to get a longer duration of the content. Here I found this video. This clip is almost 14 minutes long, and we just need to take 1 minute from this video. Like if there are 10 particular video game parts, you have to download 1 minute of each video game, and you're good to go. After that, open a new tab and type YouTube Video Downloader, or else use any free downloader. Paste that particular video link and download it. In addition, you can use Clip Converter as well to download particular minutes of the longer clips. Now, I will use the same steps for my second video part 2, which is suitable for War 2. Now once all's done, it's time to do edits of your first video. There are so many different softwares like HitFilm, Express 4, iMovie Maker, or even more, but I'm going to use Filmora. It's an affordable and intermediate level of editing software. Open Filmora, create a new project, drag all of your video clips. Once you're done, it's time to add some good royalty-free music, so you can download free music from the YouTube library as well, or you can use other sites, depending on you. I'm going to use the YouTube library for this purpose. Head over to the YouTube library and download any music you want. Drag them on your editor and now play each clip and copy the data from Google Docs, like the name of that particular series, the release date, and the console compatibility. Congratulations! Your first video is ready to go. Just export them and upload them on your channel. Additionally, do complete SEO of your channel and on each video. If you don't know about metadata strategy and optimization, let me know in the comment section, alright? I'll create a video on it. The goal is to upload at least 30 to 60 videos in a month. This strategy is too easy and it requires minimum work, so I think anyone can produce 2 videos in a day. That's it for today. Let me know your comments or any questions if you have in related to this strategy or overall YouTube Cash Cow business module. You can follow me on Instagram as well to get monetized channels and Cash Cow managers. Leave a like if you appreciate this valuable content, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.